Okay, good morning, second PEC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Formulas, integrals of some functions. Okay, some special functions. Integrals of some functions. What is some particular functions? Integrals of some particular functions. What is the particular functions formulas? Once again, listen carefully. What is the first one? Integral 1 by x square minus a square dx. Integral 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. The second one, integral 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. So integral 1 by a square plus x square dx or x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. What is the fourth one? Integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Integral 1 by root of a square plus x square dx is equal to log mod x plus root of a square plus x square plus c. Sixth one, integral 1 by root of x square minus a square dx is equal to log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. In the integrals of some particular functions, these six functions. These six functions, for example, 1 by x square minus 1, no. Okay, x square minus 1, no. X square minus b square. Okay. X square minus 1 means 1 by 2 into 1. Put a is equal to 1. 1 by 2 into log of x minus a by x plus 1. A is equal to what? 1. X minus 1 by x plus 1. Here also, integral 1 by 1 minus x square is equal to, here a is equal to what? 1. 1 by 2 into log 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So, here a is equal to 1 means integral 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x. So, integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square is equal to sin inverse x. Here a is equal to 1, same formula. Okay. The proofs important one up to 5. The first one is completed, second one, third one, fifth one, sixth one are completed. Next, the fourth one, homework. So once again, I will explain once again. Next one, fourth one. Find integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. The question. Okay, na? So put x is equal to a sin theta. Maximum of the students confusion. What is the confusion? First, what is the x here? X is equal to what? X is equal to what? This is the main problem. Plus x square. Plus x square means x is equal to a tan theta. Plus x square means in 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Tan square theta minus 1 is not a formula. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Plus means put x is equal to a tan theta. Here 3 and 5 both are same. Plus x square. Plus x square means put x is equal to a tan theta. Minus x square means minus x square. Okay, minus x square means 1 minus sine square x is equal to a sine theta, because 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. So minus x square means to put x is equal to a sine theta or a cos theta. So here x square minus a square, here x square plus a square. Okay, x square minus a square. So first x square minus 1, no, x square plus minus a square means put x is equal to a secant theta, because secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Okay, now a square plus x square. Okay, a square plus x square is equal to x is equal to a tan. First, this is the main point, 1 mark first. What is the main one? What is x is equal to? X is equal to a tan theta. X is equal to a tan theta means go to easy. X is equal to a tan theta. Instead of a tan theta, a tan theta bodulu secant or cos. This is the first step wrong. First step wrong means the totally wrong problem. I think first of all, this is x square. What is x? This is the, you have to take correctly. You have to take correctly. So the problem maximum correct. The main one is this one. Plus a square plus x square. Plus x square, x is equal to a tan theta minus x square a sin theta plus x square a tan theta, x square minus a square secant theta, a secant theta, this one. So we put x is equal to a sin theta, derivative modu dx is equal to a sin theta cos theta, derivative of sin theta is equal to cos theta d theta. Okay, so sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta, that implies sin theta is equal to x by a, sin theta is equal to x by a, that implies theta is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Okay, next. So here x is equal to a sin theta. So that is equal to integral 1 by root of a square minus x is equal to a sin theta whole square. Dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. Dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. So integral 1 by root of a square minus a square sin square theta into a cos theta d theta. Integral 1 by root of a square common 1 minus sin square theta into a cos theta into d theta. So 1 by root a square root of a square 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta into dx is equal to a theta d theta. Root of a square is equal to a, root of cos square is equal to cancel. Integral d theta is equal to theta plus c. What is theta? Sin inverse x by a plus c. So therefore integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Okay, this is the formula derivation. 6 formula derivations completed. This is practiced perfectly. Okay. To find the integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c dx or integral 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. This type of problems, okay, root of quadratic equation or without root of quadratic equation. So this type of problems we write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to first common x square coefficient x square plus b by a into x plus c by a, that is equal to a into x plus b by 2a plus or minus x plus b by 2a whole square plus c by a minus b square by 4a. This is conversion. The ax square plus bx plus c in root 2 without root 2, any type of only this ax square plus bx plus c convert into in 6 formulas, some particular formula. 6 formulas. What is the formula? X square minus a square minus x square plus a square, this type. X plus b by 2a whole square, c by a minus b square by 4a square, b square by 4a square. So here x plus b by a is equal, now put x plus b by 2a, x plus b by 2a is equal to t, x plus or x minus are taken b, so that dx is equal to, what is derivative? X derivative 1 is constant to dt, so dx is equal to dt, derivative with respect same as it is, put x is equal to t, someone is t and derivative. So and writing c by a minus b square by 4a square is equal to plus or minus k square, or plus k square or minus 1. We can find integral reduce to the form 1 by a into integral 1 by t square plus or minus k square dt. Depending upon sign of c by a minus b square by 4ac, depending upon c by a minus 4ac, and hence can be evaluated. This is the first one. Second one, integral px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c dx or integral px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. where P, Q, A, B, C are constant. Where A, B, C, P, Q are constants, and find capital A and B, and find capital A and B. So Px plus Q is equal to A into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Px plus Q is equal to A into d by dx of Px plus Q is equal to A into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. And solve them. So next exercise problems. Which type of problems? 1 by ax square plus bx plus c, or 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c quadratic equation form, x square plus 2x plus 3, x square minus x plus 5, this type quadratic equation type, second degree equations are given. This type of problems, how to solve? The ax square plus bx plus c are in root or without root. Ax square plus b can be converted into first common with x square coefficient, and the totally ax square plus bx plus c convert into this type. Direct formula, x a is equal to what? A is equal to, for example, 2x square plus 3x plus 4, and a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4. Direct apply. Formula type. Okay, convert into this type. Which type? Some particular functions. What is some particular functions? The 6 formulas. 1 by root of x square plus a square, x square minus a square, a type change maadu. A type change maadko and convert into the type of formulas and apply the formula. Here x is equal to what? X plus something or x minus something. This is taken t, first taken t, and a derivative, because taken t, derivative of with respect to x. Okay, this is reduced into some plus or minus k square, plus k or minus k, or negative value or positive value, plus or minus k square, because in particular function formulas x square minus a square are type, x square minus y square, x square plus a square, this type, not x plus a square type. There is no type of x plus a square. All formulas x square minus a square or x square plus a square. So square important. So square. For example, 3 is equal to root 3 whole square. 4 is equal to 2 square. This one. And next type of problems, px plus q by, this is linear by root of quadratic. Linear into root of quadratic. This is only 1 by, there is no linear equation, only 1 by or 1 by root 2 or without root 2. This is linear by root of quadratic, linear into root of quadratic. Or px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c also. Same. Okay. OR integral px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx. This is there is no textbook, but this type also same procedure. First this type problem, for example, x plus 1 by root of x square plus x plus 1, this type problem. First we have to calculate numerator px plus linear equal to a into d by dx of quadratic plus b, and next calculate a and b values and simplify. This is the procedure. So in this next exercise compulsory 5 marks question. 5 marks question means theorem plus problem, both are given, not only single problem or theorem theorem and problem. Both are equal to 5 marks question. Okay. Let us go to exercise. Exercise 7.4. Integral 3x square by 1 plus x power 6 dx. Integral 3x square by 1 plus x power 6 dx. First integral. Which one is t? 3x square equal to t. Derivative 6x. There is no 6x. 1 plus x power 6. 1 plus x power 6 is 6x power 5, there is no use. So, here the particular functions formulas x square plus a square, x square minus a square, only square, okay, or plus or minus or any one, but square, only square, the 6 problems. Integral 3x square by 1 plus x power 6, x cube whole square dx. So, put x cube is equal to t, 3x square derivative differentiate with respect to x. So, x cube derivative 3x square dx is equal to dt. So, 3x square dx is equal to dt by 1 plus x cube is equal to t whole square. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to plus tan inverse x plus c. So that is equal to tan inverse of t is equal to x cube plus c. Next second one. Integral x square by integral x square by 1 minus x power 6 dx. Integral x square by x power 6 x cube whole square dx. So put x cube is equal to t, 3x square dx is equal to dt. Here not 3x square, only x square. So x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt. So that is equal to 1 by 3 dt by 1 minus t square. So integral 1 by 3 constant 1 by 3 into 1 by t square means 1 square minus t square dt. Integral 1 by a square minus x square. That is the formula. Integral 1 by a square minus x square. Formula 1 by 2a into log mod a square minus x square is equal to a plus x by a minus x plus c. Formula 1 by 6 into log mod 1 plus x cube by 1 minus x cube plus c. What is t? T is equal to x cube. This is the one of the type. Next, integral x square by integral x square by root of x power 6 plus a power 6 dx. X square by root of x power 6 plus a power 6. So integral x square by root of x cube x cube whole square plus a cube whole square. So dx, put x cube is equal to t, 3x square dx is equal to dt, x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt, x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt by root of t square plus a cube whole square. Here t, x is equal to, here a is equal to a cube, here a is equal to a cube. What is the formula? 1 by 3 into integral, what is the formula? 1 by 3 into 1 by root of x square plus a square, 1 by root of x square plus a square formula. What's 1 by x? Log mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. 1 by root of x square plus a square log mod x plus root of x square plus a square. So that is equal to 1 by 3 into log mod, what is t, x cube plus root of x cube whole square, x power 6 plus a power 6 plus c. This is the one of the small problems. Okay. Okay. Next, 1 by root of 1 plus 4x square. Next one, no? Integral 1 by root of 1 plus 4x square dx. This is a formula 1 by root of plus means 1 by root of x square plus a square. Okay. So that is equal to integral 1 by root of 1 means 1 square, 4x means 2x whole square dx. 4x square is equal to 2x whole square. Here put 2x is equal to t, 2 dx is equal to dt, dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt, dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt by root of 1 square plus t square. So 1 by 2 into, what is the formula? Integral 1 by root of a square plus x square. Integral 1 by root of a square plus, so here x is equal to t. Integral 1 by root of x square plus a square is equal to formula log x plus, here x is equal to t plus root of a square plus x square plus c. So 1 by 2 into log mod, what is t? 2x plus root of 1 plus 4x square plus c. So in the value is 4x square, not 4x whole square. X square is only x. So 4x square is equal to 2x whole square, 2x is equal to t. Simple. Okay. Next, integral 1 by root of integral 1 by root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 dx. 2 minus x square plus 1 dx. Here what? Put 2 minus x. 1 square, no problem, constant is x. So 2 minus x is equal to t. 0 minus 1, 2 derivative 0, minus x derivative 1, dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to minus dt. Dx is equal to minus dt. Integral minus dt by root of 2 minus x is equal to t square plus 1 is equal to 1 square. 1 is equal to 1 square. This is integral 1 by root of x square plus a square. Same formula. So minus log mod t. T is equal to x is equal to t plus root of t square plus 1 square plus c. So minus log of what is t? 2 minus x plus root of t square, 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus c. This is the another one. Next, integral 1 by root of 9 minus 25x square. 9 minus 25x square dx, that is equal to the root inside value convert into a square minus x square. 9 is equal to 3 square minus 25x is equal to 5x whole square dx. Here 5x is equal to t. Put 5x is equal to t. 5 into dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to 1 by 5 dt. So integral dx is equal to 1 by 5 dt by root of a square 3 square minus t square. That is equal to 1 by 5 into integral 1 by root of 3 square minus t square dt. What is the formula? Integral 1 by root of a square minus x square. A square minus x square formula type. Integral 1 by root of a square minus x square is equal to what? Sin inverse x by a. 1 by 5 into sin inverse x means t. A is equal to 3 x by a plus c. So that is equal to 1 by 5 into sin inverse of t is equal to 5x by 3 plus c. Okay, this is the one of simple model problems. Tomorrow, this is the important one. Next model, 1 by root of ax square plus bx square plus c, ax square plus bx plus c, or 1 by ax square plus bx plus c, or px plus q by root of ax square plus the e-type problems tomorrow. Okay. Okay, some more homework. Integral dx by x square minus 16. Homework problem. This is homework. Integral dx by x square minus 16. This is only one problem, homework. And another one, first one, the first homework. Next another one, integral secant square x by root of tan square x plus 4. integral dx by x square minus 16 and integral secant square x dx by root of tan square x plus 4. Okay, these two are homework. Tomorrow continue, next. Okay, thank you.